Once again, class 12 biology, the same lesson, that is the sexual reproduction in plants. Pollen-pistil interaction nowadays are very important because by studying the pollen-pistil interaction, one technique is developed, technique totally based on this process, this interaction, that is called the artificial hybridization. Artificial hybridization. Now, what is artificial hybridization? It is a crop improvement program. It is a crop improvement program. Why it is a crop improvement program? How it is a crop improvement program and why it is important? This crop improvement program produces commercially superior crop with desired traits. Okay, what is the artificial hybridization? It is a crop improvement program to produce commercially it is in business level superior crop with desired trait. Trait is a factor such as disease resistance or insect resistance, able to survive in adverse weather conditions, etc. So this is the program of improvement of the crop variety. Now, whatever the technique this is used for artificial hybridization. What technique this is used for artificial hybridization? Technique for artificial hybridization. The most important techniques are there. One is called emusculation. Okay, what is emusculation? Let us suppose this is a flower. This is the pollen. This is actually anther. This is the female part of the flower. What is emusculation? Firstly, it is carried in bisexual flower. Most important thing, it is proceeded or carried in bisexual flower. It means a flower having both the sexual organs in same plant. That is the bisexual flower. It is carried in bisexual flower. This is the bisexual flower. This is female part and this is male part. Male is female is there. What happened in this process? With the help of forceps, the anther is removed. This is the anther. This is removed with the help of the forceps. Before maturation, okay, what happens? When bisexual flower is there, the female part remains there, but the male part of the flower is removed with the help of forceps. It is removed before maturation, before the formation of pollen. The male part is removed from there. So what happened in this process? In this process, anther sac or anther is removed manually. Manually, it means removed by the help of, with the help of forceps before maturation. Before maturation. Before maturation. Okay? Before maturation or before dehiscence. Maturation or before dehiscence. Before dehiscence. What happens? It is removed before dehiscence, then pollen is not fallen on the stigma. This is very much protected. No pollen reached there. After emisculation, the second step is taken in the plant, and that is second step is called bag. What happened in the first step? Emisculation. The male part is removed before maturation. Then what happened? This emusculated flower is wrapped in bag. This emusculated flower is wrapped in a bag. What is the bag there? That is the bag is made up of the butter paper. Made up of butter paper. Female part, firstly, the male part is removed out, and then the female part is bagged in a packet, in a bag. Okay, what is going on here for artificial hybridization? This is the flower. This is the anther. The anther is emasculated. It is removed. And then it is bagged in. It is covered in. It is protected. Why it is protected? This bag which is present here, it protects the female flower. It does not allow the stigma to accept any pollen, any outside pollen. Okay, when bagged flower become mature, some desired pollen are dusting on it. Okay, when this part is mature, bag is removed, and manually some better pollen are distributed or dusted on the receptive part of the stigma. Okay, then again it is bagged down. So what happens? The flower or the seed which is produced contain desired nectar. So what happens? The flower is emasculated, then it is wrapped with a bag made up of the butter paper only. When that flower become mature, when this bagged flower become mature, and what happens? This bag is removed. This mature. What is the meaning of the mature? It means it is ready to. Receptibility. It is ready to receptive. Receptibility or receptive. Okay, it is ready to receptive. Receptive of the pollen. Then what happens? This bag is removed. Okay, then what happens? This bag is removed, and some desired pollen, mature desired pollen dusted on it. and again it is rebagged. Okay, then and rebagged it again, rebagged it again. Okay, it means the pollen which is interact with the female part is only the desired. This happened in the bisexual flower. But what happened in the unisexual flower? In unisexual flower, the emasculation does not need it because it contains two flowers. One is the male and one is the female. So it is easy to cover the female flower. So what happened in the unisexual flower? In unisexual flower, only bagging is needed. Okay, in unisexual flower, directly the process of bagging is performed. Because two flowers are separated, one is the male and one is the female. So two separate flowers are there, so emasculation is not needed. In unisexual flower, that the process of bagging is performed on female flower. It means emasculation process is not occurring. So what is artificial hybridization? Artificial hybridization is a technique to improve the crop variety. It increases this character or desire. It puts the desired character in the crop. Desired character is insect resistance or disease resistance or weather resistance, etc. Two techniques are commonly used. First is called emasculation and second is the bagging. Emasculation occurs with the bisexual flower. Bagging is common both the type of the fruit.